Okay, this is the beginning of chapter 11, which is going to be liquids and solids. We did gases back in chapter 5, so it's an earlier chapter for 12:11. So we're going to look at the properties of liquids and solids in terms of compressibility, molecular movement, and position of molecules. So questions: are gases compressible or not compressible? Okay, and they are compressible. Relative to each other, do they move fast, slow, or medium? And they move fast. We did calculations of this, and they were in the 400 meters per second. And the molecules are far apart, which these two factors here are closely related. If they are compressible, then they're far apart. If they're close together, they are not compressible. Liquids are not compressible. Doesn't matter how much I press on them. I'm not going to change the size of them very much. The molecules move medium speeds. Basically, they do move. And I've already said that if they're not compressible, then that means that they are close together. These two factors are very closely related. For solids, they are not compressible. Okay, they really don't move relative to each other, so slow. And because of the fact they're not compressible, I know that they are close apart. All right. And so this is a depiction of the three phases. Okay. So I have gases, and you can see here that they are, compared to the size, okay, they are very small compared to the size between them. These little comet-shaped things at the back of these, or little cone-shaped things at the back of these, are to indicate that they're moving very, very fast to each other. Versus a liquid, okay, they're all touching, but there's no order to it, and any one molecule can move relative to the other molecules. And in a solid, there is an order to it. This one is always going to be next to these right here that they can see, okay? So it's not going to move relative to each other. And that is the first section of chapter 11.